Hey, this is Jake from Markham Tech. This is your tech tip of the week. Today we're out here fishing on Lake of the Woods. Let's just say something happens while I'm out here. My system breaks, I run it over, something and it needs to be serviced. Quick and easy process. If you just hop onto our website, markhamtech.com, there's a support tab in the top right-hand corner. If you just hover over that support tab, there's a drop-down menu that comes down and you're gonna see a warranty claim or a non-warranty claim. If your system's within that warranty period of the system, click on warranty claim and it'll walk you right through that process. If it's out of warranty, just click on non-warranty claim and it'll walk you through that simple 5-minute process as well. If you have any more questions, visit markhamtech.com.